you want to just explain what it is? Because I don't know what it is.
It's a 1899 steam engine, quadruple expansion with only 2 cranks, designed to be very efficient by Simpson Strickland of Dartmouth. They built 4 that year, so it's a fairly rare beast. I don't know if any of the other 1899 ones have survived. Do you want a quick guided tour?
Yeah, and do you want to tell us about the boat as well and all the bits?
Well, boat's over there. It was also built in 1899 in Southampton, built as a yacht's tender for a very large super yacht of the day called Artemis. There were 2 of them, one rowing and sailing and one steam tender, and with pictures of them hanging in davits, going along at about 12 knots. The mothership that was, not the steamboat.
And this is the boiler?
Yes, that's for safety. That's a modern boiler. You still have the 1899 boiler, but it's been condemned as unsafe. So it's a modern water tube boiler. Sorry, not very clean and tidy there at the moment. We had a leak in the ash pan.
So it's 120 years old exactly?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Older than me.
Just.
Alright. Unnecessarily complicated. I think in 1899 somebody said if they get any more complicated you'll need a computer to fix them. In fact, what they did instead, they went on to petrol engines and diesel engines instead. However, steam goes in through here, and you've got a baby piston up the top at 2.5 inches diameter, and the waste steam goes through a steam chest to number 2 piston. Around the back, you follow around, there's a transfer pipe, and the waste steam from number 2 comes up to number 3 cylinder. That expands, pushing that one down, and the waste from there, steam goes into here, and finally at below atmospheric pressure there's a vacuum there going down to condenser, sucking it out. So the last cylinder actually works more like a Newcomen engine or vacuum, the last piston. And the 2 cranks are at 90 degrees, so in theory you can always start it, and if you can't start it there's a sneaky little valve which I could reach around the corner which will let high pressure steam into the low pressure cylinders, and off you go. In theory.
Thank you very much.